Hi, I'm Megan Hartman, President and CEO of Callus. Welcome to OUTdrive, our monthly video podcast where we break down marketing news and trends that matter right now, explain what they actually mean for your business, and share clear takeaways to help you make smarter decisions for long-term growth. This month, we're covering a new AI advertising law in New York and what it signals for any brand using AI in their creative, new data on how most Google searches now end without a click, and what it means for your brand and how you get found, and how Etsy turned Amazon Prime Day into an opportunity to champion independent sellers, and what brands of any size can learn from it. Let's jump in. First up, a new law just added to a legal dimension to our ongoing conversation on AI-generated creative. New York recently enacted a law requiring brands to disclose when AI-generated performers appear in their ads. This includes lead performers, background extras, and even something as specific as a hand model. Marketers expect other states to follow. The law reflects the current consumer mindset. A recent study found that consumers' enthusiasm for AI-generated content dropped from 60% in 2023 to just 26% in 2025. A Gartner survey found that 49% of U.S. consumers say AI-generated content has made the quality of what they see online worse. This number rises to 57% among Gen Z and millennials. People are now more discerning with what they see online. Content quality expectations have gone up, and when AI is part of what consumers are looking at, they want to know it. Platforms were already moving in that direction before the law arrived. Instagram has been adding AI creator labels to profiles and posts using AI-generated content. YouTube has been expanding tools that allow actors, athletes, and creators to detect and request removal of AI-generated likenesses. For brands, failing to disclose AI use creates two distinct problems. Where disclosure is now required, it's a compliance issue. Everywhere else, it's a trust issue. Audiences can tell when creative feels manufactured, and discovering that a brand used artificially generated people without being transparent erodes exactly the kind of trust that's hardest to rebuild. As more states follow New York's lead, both pressures will grow. The takeaway? Audience expect transparency around AI, and in some markets, the law now require it. Keeping real human presence and judgment at the center of your creative process and being upfront when AI is part of the mix is a quality standard, a trust standard, and depending on where your ads run, a legal one. Next up, we've talked before on OUTdrive about zero-click search. New research just put a concrete number on that trend, and it's larger than most businesses are prepared for. Market research company SparkToro found that 68% of U.S. Google searches in the first 4 months of 2026 ended without a single click. In other words, for every 10 people who searched on Google, fewer than 4 visited a website. Google is aware of the concern. The company has announced changes aimed at sending more traffic back to publishers. Those changes are in progress and include more inline links, website previews, and new link formatting within AI responses. This keeps emphasizing the crucial need for brands to invest in presence on the platforms where their audience already spend time, not just optimize for Google traffic. The categories where traditional search still performs well are branded searches, when someone looks up your business by name, local business queries, and high-intent searches where somebody is ready to make a decision. There's something else that's happening at the same time. New Cloudflare data found that more than half of all worldwide web page requests now come from automated bots rather than people. Bots and AI agents search and crawl websites very differently than humans do. A person researching a purchase might visit 5 or 6 websites, and the AI agent working through the same question might visit thousands. Your content is being read and referenced by AI systems before it ever reaches a human reader. Well-constructed, credible content needs to work for both humans and AI. The takeaway is that SEO still matters, but depending on Google traffic alone is a narrower bet than it used to be. Building your brand's presence where your audience already is, email, social channels, YouTube, industry platforms, is more important than ever. And the content you publish needs to be clear, well-organized, and authoritative enough for people and AI systems to find it and reference it. And finally, Etsy found a clever way to steal attention from Amazon Prime Day, and it starts with a name everyone knows. Jeff Bezos built one of the most recognized brands in the world. Etsy's new campaign, Shop Other Jeffs, uses that recognition to flip the spotlight, highlighting the more than 5,000 sellers on their marketplace who share his first name. The campaign features a potter, a furniture maker, a lighting designer, alongside copy like "One Jeff should not rule commerce" and "Shop non-billionaire Jeffs." It's a clever campaign that makes its point without directly calling out Amazon or Bezos. The idea is simple. Etsy's marketplace is built on independent makers, handcrafted goods, and small business owners who put genuine skill and craft into what they sell. This is a stark contrast to Amazon's millions of generic, mass-produced products. The competitive logic holds for smaller businesses too. Outpricing or outdistributing a national or global competitor is usually a losing battle. Competing on craftsmanship, quality, and the kind of expertise a larger operation can't offer is a stronger position to take. Rural brands often have that differentiation, with specialty products, deep local expertise, and high-quality goods that reflect skill and care. The question is whether your marketing makes that contrast visible or whether it sounds like everyone else's. The takeaway: Etsy made the case for why its marketplace is fundamentally different, and why that difference matters to buyers who care about craft, quality, and supporting independent sellers. Smaller brands already have this advantage. They just need to tell their story in a way that makes people believe in them. At Callus, we stay on top of marketing shifts so we can help our clients make informed decisions, not reactive ones. If you're thinking about how AI disclosures, search visibility shifts, or the story your marketing is telling impact your business, we'd love to talk. Our team helps businesses reach the right customers, build lasting trust, and develop strategies that drive real growth. You can find more insights through our articles, podcast episodes, and case studies at ecallus.com. Thanks for watching OUTdrive. We'll see you next month with a fresh set of trends to keep an eye on.
Thanks for taking a ride with us on OUTdrive. This episode is complete, so head on over to ecallus.com for more insight you can apply to help drive your business growth. And be sure to sign up for our free monthly e-letter, OutThink, for even more helpful content about marketing to rural America. Have a great day and keep on driving.